Today, we're going to show you how to install the AVS Original Ventvisor. The AVS Original Ventvisor features an outside mount protecting and comforting more drivers on the road than any other window side deflector or vent shade on the market. In fact, our products are always ahead of the curve and precision engineered for a perfect fit for every type of vehicle. And speaking of perfect fit, it's time to take a quick look at how easy it is to install your vent visors. Remember, there's no special hardware or drilling required. Now, before you get started, test fit the vent visor to get a good idea of exactly where it's going to attach to your vehicle. Simply place the visor to the outside and align to your window as demonstrated here. Once you have test fit the product to the front window, simply repeat the process for your rear window. Take the alcohol pad included with your kit and clean the surface where you're going to apply the vent visor. Cleaning this area extremely well ensures your vent visors will adhere tightly to the surface so you can enjoy years and years of performance. We recommend starting your application with the front vent visor. Peel back the corners on each end to expose a section of the adhesive. Fold the tape over so it will be easy to peel once you have placed the front and back corners exactly where you want them. Once you have carefully eyed the placement, you'll want to press the corners firmly into place and then start peeling off the remaining tape in an upward motion, pressing the entire visor to the surface as you follow its shape. With the front vent visor in place, it's time to install the rear visor. All you have to do is repeat the process to finish this side and you'll have installed one side in about 1 minute. Within 2 minutes, you'll be able to enjoy a great look with all the advantages vent visors bring to you and your passengers. Be sure and visit our website to register your product for a lifetime warranty. Now go roll down your window and enjoy the fresh air.